find out the value of this. First, we can write this is 2. So we can write there is the 2 and this is the 2. So into the again the 2 cut, this is the 1, and there is the 2 plus root 3, and this is the up. And now this 2 is multiply here, so this 2 is multiply here and this 2 is multiply here, so this is the 1 by 4, and this 2 is multiply here, so there is the 4 plus 2 root 3. This is the power. We made this because we use the formula of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Use this formula. And so now there is the 4 we take, this is the 3 plus 1, and this is the 2 root 3, and this is the power of half. And now again the 4 and 3, we can write the root 3 square. This root 3 square is the 3, and this is the 1 is the 1 square, and this is the, there is the 2, this is the root 3, this is the a, and this is into 1. So this value is this, and this value is this, and this value is this, and this is the power of half. We made this because this is the a square, this is the b square, this is the plus, this is the 2, this is the a, and this is the b. And so there is the 4, and this is use the root 3, and this is the formula is root 3 a square. So this is the formula of a plus b whole square formula. So there is the a plus b, this is the a, so this is the root 3 plus this is 1, this is the square, use this, and this is the half. So now again there the 4 half is, so 4 half is the 2, this is half, so 4 half is 2, and now this is the square and this is the half, 1 by half, 1 by 2, so this is the cut, so there is the root 3 plus 1, and this is the total is half, so find out this is the plus minus. So this is value is this. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.